Imagine waking up to soft, natural light filtering through beautiful blinds, perfectly matched to your home, your taste, and your lifestyle. At Hala Furniture, we don't just cover windows. We help you shape the mood of your space. That's why Hala Furniture offers a wide range of high-quality blinds, whether it's comfort, privacy, or a modern touch you're after. Our blinds make it effortless. From modern apartments to cozy villas, these blinds are designed to match your space perfectly. Looking for something clean and simple? Try our aluminum blinds. Want a natural touch? Our bamboo blinds bring warmth to any room. Need total darkness for better sleep or a home cinema? Our Blackout blinds are a great choice. If you want light and privacy together, our Duplex and Honeycomb blinds are perfect options. For smart homes, our Motorized blinds give you control with just a button. Smooth, silent, and stylish. If you have large windows or glass walls, our panel blinds and vertical blinds work beautifully. For a minimal and modern look, go for roller or Venetian blinds. Want something classic? Shutter blinds bring timeless elegance. And if you love a rich and cozy feel, our wooden blinds add that perfect final touch. All our blinds are available in custom sizes and colors, with professional installation and expert guidance to make everything simple for you. Whether it's your home or office, we help you in selecting the right blinds that improve both comfort and design. Stop compromising on comfort and style. Hala Furniture, your complete window blind solution from selection to installation.